So, some of you guys show interest in aftermarket lighting as far as like accent lighting. You know, that includes like demon eyes or underglow, inside, whatever, other than headlights and taillights. I figured I'd walk you guys through what we have. Mine being a Streetglow kit, my brother's LEDGlow kit that we just installed about a month ago. And give you a little bit of a review, a little bit of overview of how they work, and pretty much just showcase them. So we'll start off with my car. I'll show you the headlights real quick. So I have xkglow headlights. They're a 2-in-1 function, so it's an LED light with an RGB, like multicolor function controlled by an app. So basically there's a whole xkglow app and you can control the headlights. So right off the bat, there's the headlights on. So we'll go ahead and turn those back off and I'll show you the function. So as you see, it's changing colors. That's me. So it does a bunch of different things. You can pair them together so they both do the same thing. You can separate them so that they are two different colors. Brightness. There's different, you know, like they call themes, so basically patterns. You get to do different funky things, fades, color changes, different patterns of how it flashes. So it's really pretty cool. It's even like a music function too. You know, go by music. But basically I got it so I can change the colors here, just to go with everything else in my car. So that's pretty much the headlights. It's all controlled by this brain I have stashed under here that also has like a touch button that you can do like a manual control. And I have that on the switch itself, along with under the footwells. There you can see under the footwells. This is a LEDGlow kit that I bought probably 4 or 5 years ago. They call it a simple 7-color function, and basically it was just the control box, which is again under here, and then the 2 wires just come out of that. So it's really nothing like expandable or anything. It was really just a simple, probably $25 kit, and I really haven't revisited since. This kit's followed me for at least 3 cars now. So that's interior. So then the only other thing is underglow in my car, and then in the trunk I did just basic strips off eBay with 3M on the backside on a 3-way throw switch. So normally when you pop the trunk it'd be white, but then like for night car shows I can throw the switch the other way, and then when you pop the trunk it'll be purple. And it still retains the whole, as soon as you shut the trunk off, they shut off. So nothing really crazy there, but it was just kind of a quick idea that I threw together just to keep the whole lighting back there. But for the underglow, we're gonna have to wait till it gets just a little more darker so you guys get the whole effect. So we'll come back when it's a little darker. All right, so now it's a little darker. You can actually see what's going on here. It's hard to find in that where it's still light enough outside that doesn't mess with the camera, but you can see what's going on here. So the Streetglow kit that I have is called the Lightstrike 3 million kit. I'm pretty sure it's long been discontinued. I actually ended up buying a second set as a backup. Got this almost 10 years ago, and it's been a great kit. It's really neat. It's definitely showing its age, but overall it still functions, does what I want it to. So as you can see, we start off with a fade. Our remote control here shows what's going on outside the car. Got like a scanning function going on here. You move on to the most famous pattern, the rainbows, which pretty much what this kit was marketed for. That's pretty cool. All these you can adjust speed and whatnot. You can slow it down, speed it up. And you have all the solid colors. So it does the normal 7 colors. And then where the 3 million comes in is as it's fading, you can pretty much pause it wherever you want. Top of that, you have your patterns or whatnot. Now you're scanning, it'll run around. You can tell it you know, what solid color and then what color you want chasing. But yeah, so the possibilities are pretty endless with this thing. I could spend hours just going over the different modes and everything. So that's pretty much that kit and pretty much what I have going on in my car. So we'll move on to Tanner's car, which is currently all LED glow. So we'll show you that one. I feel like we do so much better. So here's Tanner's car with his kit. Like I said, it's all LED glow. Yeah, million color kit. Pretty much your standard kit that they sell across the board. We opted in for 4 inside tubes. So he's got under the wheel well and in the trunk. So it does all kinds of stuff. It can flash through. You can pick different colors. Just like mine, pretty much any color you can think of you can do. It's got its own version of the rainbow mode, as you can see here. And then it also has its various patterns and whatnot, chasers. Pretty similar to mine. Honestly, a little bit better. The interface is a little weird because it doesn't come out and like say, hey, this is color, hey, this is a pattern. Here, let me see your fob.
Fobs are different.
So like
mode, color, speed, and power.
Yeah, so you have these like Chinese whatever symbols that you click to make things happen. But once you figure it out, it's a really good kit. I recommend it. It's even expandable. So we did 4 tubes, but you can go up to 6 on one strip, and then you can even add on to that. Yep, that's pretty much Tanner's car. So there you have it. Yeah, Mr. Door too. The doors are what people care about. That'll be a whole nother video. So there you have it. There's our light kits. Let me know what you guys think. If you have questions or need links to where to buy them, let me know. Like I said, his is pretty much brand new. You can still get it. Mine, not so much. I think it's discontinued. It's going to be the Headlights. xkglow, great brand. LEDGlow, also a great brand. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.